Don't let us catch you calling Chicago the second city anymore, especially when it comes to sales taxes. And an all-new You Make It, They Take It report. Jeff Flock is in the Windy City asking shoppers what they think about the city's new #1 ranking. Jeff, I always tell New Yorkers they've got it wrong when it comes to Chicago. It's the second city because it burnt down the first time in the Great Chicago Fire and they had to rebuild it. New Yorkers always think that it's second to New York. False.
I agree with you 100%. This is the rejuvenation of Chicago, but it's getting expensive to live here. Maybe you're lucky here in New York at this point. You know where I am, don't you? Looks familiar? If it does, Oak Street in Chicago. Take a look at the numbers now. The Cook County Board, having passed an additional percentage of tax, sales tax, gives Chicago the #1, or at least it will on January 1st of 2016. 10.25% sales tax. Worse than New York. Or maybe we should say higher than New York, better than New York, better than L.A., better than Milwaukee. It's not the city itself that passed the increase. It was Cook County. If you take a look at the breakdown, there's a state sales tax, then there's the county sales tax, which went up an additional percent, and then, of course, the city itself has 2.25% sales tax as well. What does this mean for the city? Well, it means that actually some more money is going to go into the pension coffers. That's the reason the county passed the sales tax increase. They're trying to get their credit rating improved, but I'll tell you, if you take a look at the credit ratings of cities around the country, it is Chicago and Detroit that are still in junk status. Other places like, Seattle, Dallas, Denver, those guys are doing fine, but not so much here, Sandra.
Unbelievable. Well, that's what happens when your city's bankrupt, okay? Yeah, raise taxes. All right, Jeff Flock, thank you.
Hard to believe.
Yeah. All right.